I picked that crappy line too. There's a lot of water here. I wanted that jump. There's one. I like to ride the high side. Practice on walls. Oy. Wow, I think I gripped the front brake too hard or something there. Yeah. Shouldn't have been on it at all. Oncoming traffic here. Oh, nice, Morton. Show off. Oh, that was a hard wrist slapper. Gotta remember, man, the only branches sticking out into a trail are the fucking tough ones that haven't been snapped off. I wish I was turning like that on the last race. Yeah, but I know these a little better than San Manuel. I was like skiing over the top of that. I mean, front wheel was like literally angled and I was going straight. Oh, those braking bumps are nasty. Nice, Morton. Way to navigate through the rocks of Gibraltar. There's a path around it. Well, there it is. No dabbing. It's just... Oh, Mike. What happened? Shoot. You all right, Mike? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just got all lopsided.
Yeah.
I think my new pipe.
Oh, son of a mother. At least it's still attached to your bike.
Yep. I just started too slow.
Yeah. I took the bucking bronco approach. You did it really smoothly though. Nice work. Mike, you're headed downhill. Do you want to do it again?
Yeah, do it. You got it.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, got the stall spot. That is a tough spot to get up. Oh, you catch a neutral? There you go.